Pour a cup of this good-smelling coffee.
I just found another reason I love coffee. Let me explain. I started practicing intermittent fasting after learning from this guy.
Hey, I'm Ronan. I am the author of Beyond Fasting Quest on Mind Valley, and I am the guy who made Vision fast for 22 hours.
Yes, I fasted 22 frickin' hours on my first day. Now, I'd heard about intermittent fasting. Specifically, I'd read an article that said that it was a new trend among CEOs in Silicon Valley. It was giving them clarity, it was helping them stay in shape, so I thought, I gotta try that. But I also love food. So to give up eating for 22 hours, screw that. Until Ronan taught me the technique. First step, you don't need to eat breakfast. You don't even need to crave breakfast. Breakfast doesn't even come to your mind as long as you have coffee. But it's not just coffee, but you also take a second substance in the morning, and it's as simple as this: water with Himalayan salt. When I started doing this, I would wake up in the morning, make myself a glass of water with Himalayan salt, sometimes a touch of lime or lemon, and then a black coffee, and I would be able to plow through the day till 2 p.m. And that is when I would eat my lunch. Now, doing this, I've been able to stay in great shape without sacrificing all the other incredible things I still want to put in my mouth throughout the day. But I've been able to maintain my weight, stay in great shape, and more than that, maintain energy levels and clarity of mind because of this fasting protocol. If you find these ideas interesting, go deeper with me and Ronan in a free masterclass on intermittent fasting. This masterclass is part of our full program, Beyond Fasting, available on Mind Valley membership. If you're a member, you can dive straight into the program. If you're not a member and want to get a taste of the awesomeness of Mind Valley, then check out this free masterclass and you will learn how to get started with intermittent fasting. I'll see you there.